Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about the Spellbinders Glimmer Hot Foil System, the best Glimmer Hot Foil machine on the market. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this system will take your projects to the next level with its precision and stunning results. If you love adding that professional touch to your cards, invitations, or scrapbooking projects, this is the machine you've been waiting for. The Spellbinders Glimmer Hot Foil System is designed for those who want to elevate their paper crafting with gorgeous foil details. This machine allows you to easily add intricate foil designs to a variety of materials, including cardstock, vellum, and even leather. With the new and improved features, this version of the Glimmer Hot Foil System offers smoother performance and a larger platform, making it easier to work on bigger projects. It's perfect for card makers, scrapbookers, and anyone who loves creating personalized, high-quality craft items. What sets this hot foil system apart from the competition is its combination of simplicity and professional-level results. Unlike other foil machines that can be complicated to use, the Spellbinders Glimmer Hot Foil System is extremely user-friendly. The machine features a manual operation mode, which allows you to have full control over the foiling process. With the included plate, foil, and dies, you can create beautiful designs that pop off the page with stunning metallic shine. But it's not just about looks. The Glimmer Hot Foil System's advanced technology ensures that your foiling is crisp and clean, even for the most intricate patterns. This means you get the kind of professional quality results that you can't achieve with ordinary stamping or heat embossing techniques. Whether you're adding a delicate border to a birthday card or creating a shiny focal point for your scrapbook, the results are always flawless. This system is also a great choice if you're looking to streamline your craft space. Its sleek, compact design means it won't take up much room, and it's built to last. The machine is constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring you get many years of crafting joy. And because it works with a variety of foil rolls, you'll have endless options to experiment with different textures and colors to suit any project. When you purchase the Spellbinders Glimmer Hot Foil System, you're not just getting a machine, you're getting a complete crafting experience. The system comes with everything you need to get started right out of the box, including a foil roll, metal plates, and detailed instructions to guide you through the process. Even if you've never used a foiling machine before, you'll find it simple and rewarding. In conclusion, the Spellbinders Glimmer Hot Foil System is an exceptional tool for anyone looking to add a touch of elegance to their craft projects. With its ease of use, high-quality results, and professional features, it's no wonder this is considered the best Glimmer Hot Foil machine available today. Whether you're making custom cards, personalized gifts, or unique scrapbooking layouts, this machine will bring your ideas to life like never before. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a product critique video. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!